So, here I am once again, into blogs. I don't even know what number this is, probably like 10. So, that's my dog, Chatito. I'm pretty upset today. Get out, Chato. Pretty upset today. Because my other dog, Rex, I know y'all seen him before. He's getting too violent. He started off barking at my aunt. Then he went on to my sister, to my other sister. And then, today, I was at work, and my mom gave me a call. Stop it, Chato. She says, Tony, I got bad news for you. I said, what happened? And she says, Rex tried to bite your brother. Now, why did I decide to react to he tried to bite my brother? Because my brother feeds him, my brother stays with him. My brother is with him more time than I am. So, he plays fight with him, and he tried to bite him today. So, what am I supposed to do? I checked, I called information, I tried to look on what was the best thing to do. And the answer was to put him to sleep. So now I gotta put my dog to sleep. He's a big, beautiful dog. I loved him. I still love him. I love him all the time. I came in the room, he jumped up, gave me a hug like usual, gave him a kiss. And it was great. But I know I can't have him anymore because he might hurt somebody in my family. Today was a very bad day for me. I'm sad. My mind's going crazy. I don't know what to do. Some people tell me don't put him to sleep. That's messed up. But do you get the situation that I'm in? I trained that dog to be bad, to not like anyone but me and my family. Now he's turning on my family. He hates people. He doesn't even want to look at people. If somebody says hi to him, it's over. He tries to fucking bite him. So I'm sad because tomorrow morning my mom's gonna call so they could come pick him up. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna miss him. I'm sorry, God. I'm sorry, Rex. I'm sorry. No edit on this video. My dog is gonna die. I don't know what this means to me. I seen that dog from when he was a baby. I was the first one to play with him. I saved him from a life of bad things. They didn't want him because he wasn't original. He's a Rottweiler. They didn't want him. I took him. I took care of him. I bought him everything I could. Tonight he has to go. God forgive me, for I am a sinner. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth. As it is in heaven, give us today our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. God, please help him. Please let him be in a better place. I love you, Rex. You were everything to me. You were my first big dog. I was so proud of you. So sorry. Please forgive me. I only want the best for you. And to whoever's telling me why are you gonna kill him? He doesn't like anyone. And I'm gonna give him away to a shelter for them to beat him because he won't listen. For them to beat him because he cries at night because he's used to sleeping on a nice warm bed. He's used to eating twice a day. All he eats is pedigree and Beneful. He eats the best. I bought him sweaters. I bought him collars like crazy. I don't want him to go anywhere else and suffer. I'm so sorry. This really hurts my heart. I have no idea what it's like. I have to do this. I brought him in thinking I was going to be with him forever. I know this was going to happen someday. I didn't think this was going to be now. His birthday was just 2 months ago. I could have never thought I was going to be doing this. Please help me. Get out, Chip. Please forgive me, God. Everybody, please forgive me. I cried all day today. I don't know what to do anymore. Please don't be scared of me. Understand me. Rex, I love you. I'm so sorry. I don't want you to suffer. This is my life. You get to see it. Please don't judge me. I am a simple kid with tough decisions to make. I'm so sorry. I haven't slept in weeks. The last thing I thought I was gonna have to deal with is giving away my dog. I don't want to cry. Love him. I'm sorry, Rex. I'm so sorry. I'll never forget you. I'll never forget you. You're always gonna be the best. Thank you.